All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to manage your referrals, how you can go ahead and manage your referrals. And it's very, very simple. You've done the hard work, you are getting the traffic, people actually coming and they're checking out your link, checking out on your offer. So what you should do is you follow up on those people on your, who have been clicking on your link. And what you should do is you make sure you are directing them to somewhere like an email list, a Facebook group, a Telegram channel, or WhatsApp group. But I will always recommend that you go ahead with WhatsApp group. Yes, you can go ahead and then create a WhatsApp group. So you drive all these people. You don't just send them your referral link like that. No, get them to the WhatsApp group. So once they are inside the WhatsApp group, then you now send the referral link to them. So they now sign up. Once they sign up, so in fact the work is completed already. You've done your own part. So every other action they do, when they now begin to upgrade, then you begin to get credit for it. So make sure you don't just waste your efforts on promotion, just giving them the link like that. Get them into your group, into your WhatsApp group first or Telegram channel. Well, I suggest WhatsApp group. Yes, WhatsApp group is the best. It's the ideal for this kind of thing. So get them into your WhatsApp group so you can always follow up on them to upgrade to higher plans. And even when there's a training, you tell them to watch the training because they could go ahead and buy the course or buy the training or buy the product. And once they make the purchase, you are going to get credited. You're going to get credited on your own commission once they make any purchase on anything in our online community in any of our channels where we promote products. So go ahead to create your own group in case you don't know how to create your own Facebook group. So just go ahead and then click on, you see, whatever if you're mobile, you easily find that. Just go to these three dots icon here and then click on new group. So once you click on new group, it's going to pop up your friends list, all your contacts list. So then go ahead and select. I'll just type. I think let me use this. This is my business account. So I'll just use one. You can add one, two, three. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to. Okay, this is. I think this is the next. Yeah. So I'm going to give you the for your group icon, you can use your own profile picture. Yes, use your own profile picture. Then here I'm going to use give it a very good name. My money team, my money team support. Yeah, my money team support. Then you can just give it as okay. So just create the page. So if I scroll up now, you see this is it. So you can see the group is created already. So what I'll do next is so I'll just generate my my invite link. Yeah, you can see. So this is I'll just come over here, or if you save their number, then you can just add them from your contacts. You add them into the group. But right here, I'm going to just see. I'm going to grab the invite link, and then I'll be inviting them. Anyone that messages me, how does this work? How does it happen? I'll just copy my link and then send it to them. So they'll just join my group. So it's in my group. I'll not be giving them more information, persuade them to upgrade their accounts. The main goal is just for them to upgrade their account. Once they upgrade their accounts for the partner program, every other upgrade they do, every other purchase they do, any other thing they do, you will get your own commission. So make sure your goal is to get them into a group first before you begin to send them your link. So whatever means you are using, whether you're promoting on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, whatever channel, make sure you get them into one place, into a WhatsApp group like this. Then you begin to promote to them. So this is the best way you can manage your referrals and get maximum results on your efforts or promotion, and then you earn huge profits, referring people to online monthly income because once they upgrade their accounts, they're going to upgrade to higher plans, and then they are still going to buy courses in the group. They will buy many things. They're going to take any action they take buying things, you will get commission on those things that they have purchased or that they have upgraded for. So that's just how you can go about managing your referrals for more profits. Create a WhatsApp group, direct anyone asking you, and direct all your traffic, direct it to your WhatsApp group, let them get inside there. And if it's filled up, you create another WhatsApp group again, on and on until you are satisfied with your results or with your earnings, and then you're making profits online. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.